What's going on, guys? It's Matt here. In this video, I want to show you guys really quick on how we do our move-in, move-out cleaning. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of our team cleaning this apartment here in Massachusetts. It's a move-in, move-out cleaning. It was pretty dirty in there, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'll be putting out more videos about residential cleaning, how to start your own residential cleaning company, what is the processes that you're supposed to follow in order to build a residential cleaning company, how much do you charge, what are the equipment we use. I'm gonna make videos about all of that. My company is called Bennett Home Services. We've been growing very fast, very quickly. So I want to take you guys on this journey with me. So don't forget to subscribe so that you see us moving from where I literally started this company from zero to turning this company into $1 million business. Go ahead and subscribe and let's get started. So first I want to show you guys how the apartment looked like when we walked in. As you can see here, the bedroom is very dirty. The carpet is filthy. There's dirt all over the place. There's dust all over the computers. Here in the kitchen and living room, you can see that there's trash all over the place. The floors are very dirty. They seem like they have some type of sticky substance on them. As you can see, the windows here, they are covered in stains. And what you see there are dead flies. So there are dead flies all over the windowsills, on top of the windows, as you can see right there. So to get started, we're gonna vacuum all of the dead flies, all of the dust that is built up on these windows. And we do this to get rid of all of the loose dirt and built up and dust that is on the windows first, so that it makes it easier for us to come back and wipe it down with our microfiber towels. Now that I've vacuumed everything, I'm going to spray the surrounding areas, not the glass, but the surrounding areas of the windowsill with multi-surface cleaner. And then I'll wipe it down with my microfiber towel. And you can see that everything came out, all of that buildup. Because we vacuumed everything first, it was very easy for us to come back with the microfiber towel and our multi-surface cleaner and wipe everything away. And on the bottom here on the windowsill, you can see the hairs. And yeah, I lost the tip of my glove. But I'm trying to scratch away these sticky substances, whatever spilled drinks caused the stains, so we wipe those away. And I typically like to leave some of the multi-surface on there for a little bit, just to let it do its work before I wipe it all away, so that it's easier for us to clean. And now we'll clean the glass, and I've gone ahead and sprayed it with glass cleaner. So I'll wipe it down once and then come back with a drier rag and wipe down the rest to get rid of the streaks. Now the baseboards were in bad shape, as you can see here. I tried to wipe it down with the towel, but I couldn't get it off because it was stuck on there, and it seems like it was been there for a while. So to get it off, I sprayed it with a bit of multi-surface, left it on there for a little bit, and then come back and I wiped it down, and as you can see, it comes off much easier. And never forget to wipe down the outlets because dirt builds up on those too. So here's what the bathroom looks like before I vacuumed it. She was already in the process of cleaning the bathroom. And then I came back with the vacuum, vacuumed everything up. And this is the vacuum that we use. Is called the Pro Team. It's our favorite vacuum. We've used several different vacuums, and this is our favorite one. It allows us to get in the areas that we wouldn't typically be able to, and it allows us to do it very easily, as you can see in this right here. And the power this vacuum has is great for us, especially when, you know, since we're using it several different times a day to clean people's homes. So definitely recommend Pro Team vacuums. So now we're in the bedroom, and like I showed you in the beginning, this carpet was very, very dirty. It was very soiled. There was dirt built up into it very deeply. So I vacuumed it several times, and as you can see, most of the dirt that's on the surface of the carpet actually comes off. And since we have a nice powerful vacuum, it does a great job of sucking all of that out. Now, as you can see, the areas that it doesn't come off are the stained areas, and that would have to be carpet cleaned, not a house cleaning service. So that would have to be done separately, but he didn't want that done. Now we're on to the kitchen floor, and the kitchen floor was full of these sticky spots. I sprayed the floor with a heavy duty cleaner, and I also had the mop bucket ready with some of the product in there. I sprayed it onto the floor, specifically in the areas that had the sticky substances on there. Is that what they're called? They're called sticky substances? I don't even know. But I'm gonna keep calling them sticky substances. And then once the product did its job, I went back with the brush and then scrubbed it out. And in this corner of the home here, I think the dog peed here constantly. As you can see, the foam is yellow, and that's not product, that's actual pee. So I sprayed a bunch of product on there, scrubbed away, removing all of that buildup, and it was actually dried on there, so it's pretty disgusting. The brush is filthy and it's almost completely yellow, so we went over that area a couple different times to get it cleaned. Now, once we scrubbed all of the grime that was built up on the surface, everything was scrubbed out, we went ahead and mopped everything down with some more product. We mopped it a few different times because there was just so much dust and so much dirt and sticky things on the surface of this floor that we had to go and clean it several times to get it real nice. This is the results. As you can see, the floor came out very good. The kitchen came out very, very nice all as well. Here's the area with that dog pee, came out very good. And here's a shot from the bottom so you can see the whole apartment. The baseboards were nice and clean. So the cleaning for this apartment came out very nice, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and watching how we cleaned it, the process behind it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep putting up more videos of our cleaning processes, the behind the scenes of my company, and how, you know, the steps I'm taking to grow it and scale it to be a $1 million business. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.